So the topic of this video is circumference and arc length. And our objectives: I can find the circumference of a circle using the formula for it. I can use circumference to find the diameter or radius of a circle. And lastly, I can use circumference to find arc lengths of a circle. So the circumference of a circle is the distance around a circle. And for all circles, the ratio of the circumference to the diameter, remember the diameter is a chord that passes through the center. So the ratio of the circumference to the diameter of a circle is the same. And this ratio is known as pi, and we have our symbol for it here. And so the circumference of this circle here is the distance all the way around the circle, the whole red, now green length. And the circumference, denoted C, uppercase C, of a circle is C equals pi times diameter, or C equals 2 pi r, where D is the diameter of the circle and r is the radius. And these are the same formula because diameter is twice the length of the radius. So that's where we get that 2 pi r from. So an example, we want to find the circumference of a circle with a radius of 9 centimeters. So we have our radius is 9 centimeters, so our diameter equals 18 centimeters. So C equals pi times D. So pi times 18, and that comes out to be, if we round to 2 decimal places, 56.55 centimeters. And since circumference is a length, we just have it in normal units, not square units. Okay, now we're going to work backwards with this next one. We want to find the diameter of a circle when we're given the circumference of it as 63 feet. So again, C equals pi times D. So our plug 63 in for C. To get D by itself, we divide both sides by pi. And you should become accustomed to where the pi button is on your calculator. All the scientific calculators have a pi button, so it should be easy enough to find. We take 63 divided by pi, and if we round again to 2 decimal places to the hundredths, we get 20.05, 20 and 5 hundredths feet. Okay. An arc length is a portion of the circumference of a circle, and you can use the measure of the arc, which we have in degrees, if you remember back to arc measures, which is in degrees, to find the length, which is in linear units, feet, centimeters, all that kind of stuff. So here we have our arc AB, and in a circle, the ratio of the length of a given arc to the circumference is equal to the ratio of the measure of the arc to 360 degrees. So if we were to write that out, we would have arc length of arc AB over 2 pi is equal to the measure of arc AB over 360. Or we can write it a second way. Arc length of AB equals measure of arc AB divided by 360 times 2 pi r. And that's, oh wait, this should be an r at the bottom of this one too. So yep. So we have the arc length of AB over 2 pi r equals the measure of the arc over 360 degrees, or arc length of AB equals the measure of our arc divided by 360 times 2 pi r. So if we look at a couple examples, we want to find the length of arc AB here. So the length of arc AB equals our angle 60, or the measure of our arc, which is 60 over 360 degrees, times 2 pi times our radius, which is 8. So if we were to simplify this, we would get 1/6 times 16 pi. We do that math and we round to the hundredth, we get 8.38 centimeters. And again, arc length, just like circumference, is just in normal units. Okay, one more example. We want to find the arc length of GH here. And we're given the angle 120 degrees, so GH equals 120 over 360. And then we multiply that by 2 pi times our radius, which is 11. If we were to simplify this down, we would get 1 over 3 times 22 pi. Carry that math out, round to the nearest hundredth, and we get 23.04, 23 and 4/100 centimeters. So to review, circumference C of a circle is C equal pi times diameter, or C equals 2 pi r, because diameter is 2 times our radius. D is the diameter, r is the radius. And in a circle, the ratio of the length of a given arc to the circumference is equal to the ratio of the measure of the arc to 360 degrees. So make sure you go online, do your reflection, answer a couple questions, ask any questions you might have, and we'll see you in class tomorrow.